Hello, everyone, and today is Tuesday, and today we want to make sure that we are continuing on with learning more about chapter 2. I want you to basically go back and look over the chapter. I want you to read the chapter, chapter 2. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right. Now, you're going to basically do questions 39, page 39, questions 1 through 15. Okay. So that's what you're going to work on today. I want to go to the book so you can kind of see. So we talked about this chapter on yesterday and made sure that you all understood. It was talking about formal qualities. We learned about expressionism. We learned about how to use art criticism, describing, analyzing, interpreting a work of art. We talked about that and the importance of that, and how when you look at works of art, you can describe, analyze, interpret, and judge it. Those are some things that we discussed. We talked about aesthetics, which is the philosophy or the nature and study of a work of art. We learned about art criticism, which is an approach for studying a work of art. We learned about aesthetics and all those things that encompass that. When you ask yourself, when you describe, you're asking yourself, what do I see? How's this description? Then is how's the work organized, which is analyzing. Then what is the message does this artwork communicate? That is interpretation. Okay. That is interpretation. And then we see judging, is the work of art successful? Okay. So that is what we looked at. And those are the steps of art criticism. That's what we use when we evaluate works of art to see if they're successful or not. And so when we say successful, it means that, we're just trying to see what the artist did to complete the works and making sure that they're done accurately. That's all. And we don't say that the work is bad or good because, art is subjective. It's based off our own opinions. Okay. All right. So when we look at that, I want you to read through this chapter. You're going to read through all of this information, learn about aesthetics and art and emotional expressive qualities, some things you'll see on your exam. Lesson 3 talks about description, judgment, and those things of that nature. Now, you're going to go to page 39 for the chapter review right here. You're going to answer questions 1 through 15. Okay. Answer these questions, upload them for a grade on today. Make sure you have it done. Make sure you check and make sure behind yourself that you see the answers to your questions, because that's really important. You can write it out and take a picture, or you can type it in. Either way, but make sure that it shows so that way you can receive credit. Okay. All right, so that is what you're going to do today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be reviewing these. Thank you.